Picture this, a bustling Italian kitchen, chefs bustling about, aromas wafting through the air. But wait, what's this? A dish shrouded in mystery, its origins obscured by the mists of time. What is this enigmatic concoction, and how did it come to grace our tables? Today, we're delving into the delicious depths of history to uncover the tantalizing tale of Osso Buco. Let us embark on a journey to the heart of Italy, where the story of Osso Buco begins. A tale steeped in tradition, flavor, and the ingenuity of Italian culinary genius. Our story takes us back centuries to the bustling kitchens of Milan, a city renowned for its rich culinary heritage. It is here that the humble origins of Osso Buco first took shape, amidst the clatter of pots and pans and the aroma of simmering sauces. Picture yourself in the lively streets of Milan, where chefs and cooks alike scurry to gather the finest ingredients for their creations. Among them, a masterful chef, inspired by the bounty of the region, sets out to craft a dish that would captivate palates and stand the test of time. Our protagonist's weapon of choice? The humble veal shank, each one a testament to the artistry of Italian butchery, with its marrow-filled bone at the center, waiting to unleash its savory secrets. As the chef toils away in his kitchen, chopping onions, garlic, and tomatoes, he is struck by a stroke of culinary brilliance. Why not slow-cook these succulent veal shanks until they are tender enough to melt in one's mouth? And thus, Osso Buco was born, a dish that would come to embody the essence of Italian cuisine, with its simplicity, elegance, and reverence for quality ingredients. Now let us transport ourselves to a time of opulence and extravagance, where the elite of Milan gathered to indulge in culinary delights fit for royalty. At the center of this grand affair were two titans of taste, the gourmand, known for his insatiable appetite and discerning palate, and the gourmet, celebrated for his culinary expertise and refined sensibilities. As the feast unfolded before them, the gourmand's eyes alighted upon a dish unlike any other. A humble pot of Osso Buco, its savory aroma beckoning him closer. With a tentative spoonful, the gourmand's skepticism melted away, replaced by a look of pure bliss. For in that moment, he discovered the magic of Osso Buco, the rich, velvety texture, the depth of flavor, the tender meat falling effortlessly off the bone. And who can forget the gourmet, the mastermind behind this culinary triumph? With a knowing smile, he observed the gourmand's delight, his own reputation as a culinary maestro secured for eternity. The legend of the gourmand and the gourmet, forever intertwined with the history of Osso Buco. For it is in stories such as these that the true essence of food, its ability to unite, to delight, and to transcend mere sustenance, is revealed. Now that we've unraveled the mystery and delved into the legend of Osso Buco, it's time to explore why this iconic dish continues to captivate taste buds and win hearts around the world. Picture yourself in the midst of a bustling Italian market, aromas wafting through the air, colors dancing before your eyes. Firstly, let's talk flavor. Oh, the flavor! Osso Buco is a symphony of savory goodness, with tender veal shanks slow-cooked to perfection in a rich, aromatic sauce. It's here that we discover the true magic of Osso Buco. But what truly sets Osso Buco apart is its versatility. From the traditional Milanese preparation with gremolata to modern twists featuring exotic spices and ingredients, the possibilities are endless. Perfection, but wait, there's more. Osso Buco isn't just delicious, it's nutritious too. Thanks to the marrow-rich bones and lean veal meat, Osso Buco is packed with essential nutrients like protein, iron, and collagen, making it not only a feast for the taste buds, but also a boon for your health. So, whether you're a culinary connoisseur or a curious amateur, Osso Buco is a dish that's sure to rock your taste buds and roll into your heart. And there you have it, foodies. The tantalizing tale of Osso Buco from mystery to mastery. Until next time, keep exploring, keep cooking, and keep savoring the flavors of history.